Guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited to share with you guys some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for fall. I have been anxiously and patiently waiting for my Dollar Tree to get some of these beautiful fall items that I've been seeing a lot of other YouTubers show on their channels. So when I stopped in Dollar Tree, they did have a couple of items, but they were a few of the ones that I had on my wish list. And so I was excited to find them. But before I go into showing you guys my haul, I wanted to share with you guys that a good friend of mine here on YouTube, Eclectic Kristen, you guys know her from my channel because we did a gift exchange back in January of this year. And so we have teamed up again to host a collaboration or a challenge. And so I hope you guys are excited about this because we are, as we're moving into this fall season. So Chris and I are going to be hosting a challenge called the Fall DIY Dupe Challenge. And so in this challenge, we're asking all of our YouTube friends to participate by showing us a very expensive fall item that you've seen in the magazine, you know, in the stores or however. Show us that picture or footage of the expensive item and then do a DIY to recreate that item for less. So, you know, guys, there's so much beautiful fall decor out there right now, but some of those things are items that we could easily make ourselves. Kristen and I were texting each other back and forth, and she sent me some pictures of items that she liked on, I think it was Pier 1's website, and I was like, that is very pretty, Kristen, but we could do that ourselves. So why pay $50 or $60 for a pumpkin when you could basically make that yourself? And so that's kind of how this idea came to me. And so then we were like, yeah, let's host this as a challenge. So the rules for this is, like I said, choose an item that is an expensive item or more expensive and then recreate it in a dupe for less. And then I have my little notes here. Let me see here. We will be sure to title your video Fall DIY Dupe Challenge. And that's because when you put your title in exactly as that, and I will have it listed in the description box down below, and also include that same title in your description box, then your videos will automatically be added to the playlist. So I'm going to be creating the playlist and have it set up so that your videos will automatically be captured if you put the title in as is indicated, as I just mentioned, and it will be listed in the description box down below for you guys to see if you have any questions about that. So, Fall DIY Dupe Challenge, hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. Now, the upload date for this challenge will be Saturday, August 18th. Any time of the day, you guys can feel free to upload your videos, and I will also have a playlist on my channel in my description box of my uploaded video. So if for some reason you're having a problem and you cannot upload your video and you didn't title it as such, then I'll try to help you guys with that. But otherwise, be sure to list it as I've indicated, Fall DIY Dupes Challenge. Then your video will be automatically added to the playlist. And also be sure to mention both my channel and Kristen's channel in your videos. And so that's Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. And then leave a link to both of our channels in your description box as well. Alrighty guys, I hope that you are so excited about this challenge as we are. I'm so looking forward to fall. And guys, Kristen's been looking forward to fall since May. For her, fall is her favorite time of the year, so she's always looking forward to fall. And I love fall as well, but you guys all know Christmas is my time of the year. And it's so funny because both our birthdays are in the months that we love the most. So that's funny. But at any rate, so that's coming up. Be sure August 18th, Saturday, have your videos posted. And for all of the family members, be sure to come back and watch because it's going to be so much fun. You're going to get some great ideas on creating some beautiful items for less for fall. Now, let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. So, I was so surprised to find, well, actually, also I was watching Kristen's video. She has a fall haul of Dollar Tree items that she posted, I think today or yesterday. So I was watching it this morning, and she had some items, and that's really what prompted me to go by Dollar Tree. I was like, let me just stop in to see, because my Dollar Trees never have what she has, but let me just go see, because maybe they might have something. And to my pleasant surprise, they did. I was so excited. So they had these beautiful white pumpkins. So it's a 3-pack of pumpkins, and they're on a little clip. So you can clip them like onto your garland or something like that. I'm going to open it so you guys can see. Uh-oh. So they have a little clip like that. So you can clip it onto your garland or wherever you're decorating, your wreath or whatever. But I thought these were so super cute. And you guys know that I showed in one of my other shopping haul videos that I was going to be incorporating some neutral colors in my fall decor this year. And so that's why I got these. And so I got 2 of the white pumpkins. But then I also did mention that I was not going to forsake my my viewers and family members out there that love the traditional colors. So you know, I got some orange pumpkins too. So they had this kind of rustic kind of deep orange, kind of a reddish orange, and then they also had the traditional orange color. So yeah, I got just one of each of these. So then, because I'm trying to incorporate the neutral colors, I did get some white ribbon that has these little pumpkins on it. So that's the idea that I'm doing. I'm going to do a neutral color palette, but I still will have pops of orange throughout, because you guys know I really love the traditional fall colors. But I am going to do something a little different this year. And so I got this white ribbon with pumpkins on it. And I'm going to come to the pumpkins in a minute. I got some more burlap ribbon. You guys, if you watch any of my videos, you know I like to use this ribbon a lot. So I probably already have some, but I just picked, they only had one, so I picked it up. I did also get this teal color. And I thought I got one more color. Oh yeah, I did get 3 ribbons, just these 3. So those are going to kind of be my colors. So I have those ribbons. Then I also picked up these beautiful sparkly ribbon. I had this last year, and so I got more because I wasn't sure how much I actually still have. And so I wanted more of this, so I got 2 of these. You can see that there, because again, I'm still going to have my traditional. I'm going to have some orange in there somewhere. You already know. But I will be doing the neutral colors. One area will be neutral, so you guys can get a feel for that. And then I also got this ribbon that is, it has, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a little pumpkin design on it. The other one was just straight glitter, but this one has like a little pumpkin on it, if you can see that. It has a little pumpkin on it there. So yeah, so I thought this was really cute. So I got 2 of those also. 2 of those pumpkin ones. And then I picked up a few more florals. I really don't need that much, and I can't wait to pull out all of my fall decor items so I can see exactly what I have. But I did want to pick up a few things that I know I'm going to need. And so I did get a bush of these fall leaves, and I like this one because they have these little berries in there. I know I have some fall leaves, just fall foliage like this, because if you guys saw my home tour last year, or like my mantle that I showed, it's like all orange with these fall leaves. So I know I have some, but I don't think mine has these little beads on it like that. So I wanted to get that one. I only took one. I'll probably go back for more later. This is something that's kind of new. It's called globe flowers. You can see that, globe flowers. So I just picked up one in this color, which is kind of like a rusty purple color. It's purple, and then the top of it is kind of a little bit darker. And then I got this other one, which they have in white. It was like a cream color. So as you can see that there. So I got those 2. And I also got this, it's called a cone flower. So got one of those, again, to go along with my neutral palette. I got these little pieces. Dollar Tree had these little pieces like just in a box. Had a box full of pieces like this that were like separated from the flower, but they're still selling them. So these were 25 cents each. And I didn't know that at the time, but I was like, okay, that's fine. I'll take it. So little picks that I'll be using. And I got one of these. I know I have some of these from last year. I'm pretty sure I do. This is the mini mums. And these are so pretty. I love that they're kind of wiry like. They have the little wiry pieces on it. So I have those. You guys know I love peonies. And so they have these peonies in this kind of fall colors. Kind of like a soft, very soft, like pale orange. Sorry, the light's not that great. Pale orange, kind of yellowish orange. And so, yeah, I have one of those. I also have one of these sunflowers that's like the fabric material. So this is like burlap, I guess. These burlap sunflowers. Sunflower there. And so I got one of those. I just love hydrangeas, guys. I love, love, love hydrangeas. And look at how full this bush is. That's so pretty. And I love this dark blue color with little purple tips on it. So I got one of these. I'll probably be going back to get more of those later, but I got that one. And I did get two of these hydrangeas in this kind of a yellowy orange color. It's kind of yellowy orange. So really pretty. Again, these hydrangeas are really nice for $1. So yeah, I got those two. Oh, I got two of the cone flowers in white. I didn't realize that. I thought I had only got one, but I got two of those. Now to my pumpkins, and I have flower stuff all over me. For my pumpkins, I got, now these are pumpkins that I did see last year, but I didn't purchase them last year because I was doing like all orange. And so I didn't get any other color pumpkins, but this year they had them. So I got this one. You can see that there. It's very neutral. It's like brown with some green and kind of like a taupey color. So I have that one. And you can see the size of these. They're kind of like, you know, fit in the palm of your hand. So I have that one. Then I got this one that's almost like it. Honestly, I didn't intend to get these two. I thought I was getting one, but I didn't. I was trying to decide which one I wanted, and then when I got to the checkout, I forgot to take one of them out. So that's okay. So this one is a little bit different. You can see it has a little leaf there. So the pattern on this one is a little more splotchy as opposed to this one. So you can see the difference in the two. So got those two. I also got this little brown one. It's shaped, and also let me go back to these two. These two, even though they're like the same color, they're shaped different, as you can see that there. This one's a little more taller, and this one's a little more short. So that's the difference in those two. And then this one also matched those two, but it has green on top, and it's the kind of short, the shorter flat one. So you can see that there. This was really pretty too, guys. I really love the colors on it. So yeah, I got that little guy. And I got this white one. I did get one of these white ones last year, I think, just because. But I only got one last year. And so I only got this one because they only had one white one. I would have gotten more of these white ones, but I thought, okay, well, at least I have this one. So I thought this one was really cute. And so, yeah, I got that one. And then, last but not least, I got this one. This one's so pretty. It's like double the weight of these. It's very heavy. This one's like solid, as you can see that there, where these are not. They have like a little hole in it. And this one's very solid. And it has this little metal leaf on it. They did have these last year. And I did get one last year, but it was more of an orangey orange. This one is kind of like orange with gold highlights on it, as you can see that there. So it really looks kind of gold-like, has a shimmer to it. Last year they had these in this color. They had the orange, they had a brown one, kind kind of like a bronze color, and they had a white one. You know, I want the white one, but this was the only one they had at the Dollar Tree, and so yeah, so I took that one. And so, oh, here's my last one. This is the last one. I almost forgot this one. It's the prettiest one. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. It has this little scroll design on it. And the scroll part has the bling on it. So you can see that they're so pretty. Now, again, it's small. It's not very large. It's probably not even as large as this one. As you can see that there. But it is so cute. So cute. And I love that it's like a neutral color. It's kind of like a taupe color. And then it has the orange bling on it. And then the top part is just painted like a darker color. But as you can see, it's so pretty. It's so super cute. So I thought this was really cute. I took this one just because I'm probably not going to really do too much bling, but who knows, it might end up in a wreath or something. And I did get this little sparkly ribbon, and so I'm sure it'll find its place somewhere. But okay, guys, that is it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Also, I hope that you guys are looking forward to fall like we are. And I look forward to seeing all your comments down below to let me know if you guys are interested in participating in the Fall DIY Dupes Challenge. This is going to be so much fun, guys. You know, I love to save money whenever I can. And so if I see something that I know I could create and for less, then I'm all about that. And so that's why I'm excited about this challenge. Alrighty, guys. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're excited about the fall. If you're looking forward to decorating to cooler weather like us. We still was like close to 100 degrees today. So it's craziness. But at any rate, guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. If you're my faithful family members, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It really means so much to me. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you'll go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It really, really, really means so much to me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.